Have you ever wondered how to capture breathtaking footage of airplanes flying in front of the moon? Look no further. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to set up your telescope and camera to get amazing shots of airplanes passing in front of the moon. We'll cover the best equipment to use, the ideal settings for your camera, and some tips and tricks to make sure you get the perfect shot every time. Join us as we take you on a journey through the night sky and capture some truly awe-inspiring footage. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more amazing astronomy videos.